We are excited to introduce to you our brand new website, which is designed to provide you with the best user experience possible. We have spent countless hours working on the design, content, and features to ensure that our website offers you everything you need. Our goal in creating this website was to make it easy for you to navigate and find exactly what you are looking for. Whether you are searching for information, products, or services, our website has been designed to help you find what you need quickly and easily. One of the key features of our new website is its responsive design, which means it is accessible on any device. Whether you are using a computer, tablet, or mobile phone, our website will look great and work seamlessly. We have also integrated several new features that we think you will find useful. For example, we have included a live chat feature that enables you to connect with our team in real time. User profiles. Users can create their profiles where they can share information about themselves, such as their name, profile picture, bio, interests, etc. Newsfeed. Users can see updates from people they follow, including posts, photos, videos, and other content. Friend/follower system. Users can connect with others on the platform by sending friend requests or following their profiles. Messaging. Users can send direct messages to each other for private conversations. Groups and communities. Users can join or create groups based on common interests or themes to connect with like-minded individuals. Events. Users can create and RSVP to events, such as parties, concerts, and other social gatherings. Photo and video sharing. Users can upload and share photos and videos on the platform. Like, comment, and share. Users can interact with posts by liking, commenting, and sharing them with their followers. Live streaming. Users can broadcast live videos for their followers to watch in real time. Marketplace. Users can buy and sell goods and services within the platform. Advertising. Social media platforms offer advertising options for businesses and individuals to promote their products or services. If you're looking for a new social networking experience, we invite you to check out our website and explore its unique features. With our platform, you'll be able to connect with friends and family, meet new people, and discover communities that align with your interests. Our website is designed to provide you with a seamless and user-friendly experience. From our intuitive interface to our advanced search and recommendation algorithms, you'll find that our platform is easy to navigate and allows you to quickly discover new content. Whether you're interested in sharing photos and videos, engaging in discussions with like-minded individuals, or simply browsing the latest news and updates, our website has something for everyone. We encourage you to create an account and start exploring today. You never know what you might discover.